Hi everybody and welcome back to another unboxing. And today we have Death of Superman, the only at Best Buy graphic novel edition. Alrighty, and here is the front of the box. I really love the artwork on the front of this. I'm very excited to actually watch this movie. I've been waiting for it for a while. There is the side. The really cool little picture of Doomsday right there. There is the back. Anyone wants to read that, they can pause the video here. There's some details about what's included. There is the other side, the same picture of Doomsday. And there is the top. Alrighty, now let's get this open. Okay, put the knife away. Okay, first we have the Blu-ray itself. Set that to the side for a moment. And the graphic novel. Okay, let me scroll through here a little bit for everybody. Don't want to do too much because I don't really want to spoil anything. Pretty decent length for what you get as well. And it's hardback, which is really nice. Here's the back of it. And another picture of the front. Okay, and then we have the Blu-ray itself. I'm very happy that this one included a slipcover in the special edition. Unlike the Ready Player One edition that I unboxed, the Walmart exclusive one, it did not have a slipcover, which was a little disappointing. And all of this is kind of bumped up here, which is really nice. There's the same side as the outer box. The same backing. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, and there we go. You have the digital code on the left side, nothing on the back. Here is the DVD artwork. And the same artwork on the Blu-ray. Alrighty, that was just a very quick little unboxing for everybody. And I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, as well as tap that little notification bell in the top corner to stay up to date with all my videos. Thank you, and y'all have a good one.